most beautiful thing that I have never seen. Hello everyone, welcome to this guitar tutorial for the song The Most Beautiful Thing by BRUNO MAJOR. So first up, I'd just like to say a quick thank you to this person right here for suggesting this song for me to teach. Thank you very much for that. So a quick disclaimer first, I'm going to be playing this song as simple as possible so that more of you guys will be able to follow. As well as playing this song as if you're just going to be playing this all by yourself with your guitar. But before we begin, please don't forget to subscribe and ring the notification bell down below so that you guys will be able to stay updated from future videos. And if you guys would like me to teach anything else, just comment it down below as well. I'll try to do it for you. So yeah, without any further ado, let's just go and jump right into it. So before I teach you guys the chord progressions that we're going to use in this song, I'd just like to show you guys the chords that we're going to use throughout this entire song, which are going to be these ones right here. Yep. That's going to be the G major 7 chord, 3 dead string, 4 4 3 dead string, E minor 7, that's going to be dead string, 7 9 7 8 7, B minor 7 chord, 7 dead string, 7 7 7 dead string, A7 chord, that's going to be 5 dead string, 5 6 5 dead string, A minor 7 chord, 5 dead string, 5 5 5 dead string, C minor 7 chord, it's going to be dead string, 3 5 3 4 3, D7 chord, it's going to be dead string, 5 7 5 7 5, D7 sus4, that's going to be dead string, yep, dead string, 5 7 5 8 5, yep. Then lastly it's going to be the C major 7 chord, that's going to be dead string, 3 5 4 5, then another dead string. And lastly, it's going to be an E7 chord. It's going to be like this. Now once again, we're going to do a bar chord in the 7th fret, starting from the A string down to the high E string. And for the rest of the chord shape, it's going to be a dead string in the lower E string. Again, 7, 9, 7, 9, and then 7. So all in all, we got G major 7, E minor 7, B minor 7, A7, A minor 7, C minor 7, D7, D7 sus4, and the C major 7 chord. Then an E7 chord. And as for the plucking pattern that we're going to use for the entirety of this song, it's going to be this one right here. Yep. So let me just show it to you guys first. It's going to be like this. Yep, just like that. So let me break it down for you guys. So to do this plucking pattern, we're going to pluck the bass string, which could either be the lower E string or the A string, depending on the root note of the chord that you're playing at the time, along with the D, G, and the B strings all together. It's going to be the D, G, B strings all together, slapping it. Once again, bass D, G, B, D, G, B, then slapping it. Yep, so all in all, it's going to be bass D, G, B, D, G, B, slapping it, bass D, G, B, D, G, B, then slapping it. Yep, so it's going to be like this. And with that said, the entire plucking pattern is going to be worked for 4 whole counts for each chord that you're going to play in this song. Okay, so for the intro as well as the interlude sections of this song, it's going to be this one right here. Yep. So first up is just going to be the G major 7 chord for 2 counts, which means that we're just going to be doing the half of the plucking pattern that I've taught you guys earlier. So it's just going to be like this. Followed by the E minor 7 chord for 2 counts, which is going to be done by the same thing. Then it's going to be followed by the B minor 7 chord for 4 counts. Yep, then we're going to be repeating that entire thing one more time. So again, G major 7 chord for 2 counts, E minor 7, then the B minor 7 chord for 4 counts. So once you finally figure that out, it's supposed to sound a little bit like this. Okay, and as for the verse sections of this song, the chord progression that we're going to use is going to be this one right here. Yep, so once again, we're going to be starting it all off with the G major 7 chord for 8 counts, which is going to be like this. One more. Once again, E minor 7 chord for 4 counts. Followed by the A7 chord for 4 counts. That's going to be the A minor 7 chord for 4 counts. C minor 7 for 4 counts. To be followed by the G major 7 chord for 6 counts. Which means that we're going to be doing one set of the plucking pattern, followed by a half of that plucking pattern. So again. Yep, so just a half. To be followed by the D7 sus4 chord by just one count, which I like to do it like this. Followed by the D7 chord for one count as well. And once you finally figure that out, it's supposed to sound a little bit like this. Will it be a pavement or a sidewalk? When I finally lay my eyes on you, someone I've already loved, or will you find your way out of the blue? Okay, and as for the chorus sections of this song, the chord progression that we're going to use is going to be this one right here. Yep, so first up is once again going to be the G major 7 chord for 2 counts. It's going to be like this. E minor 7 chord for 2 counts. Then the B minor 7 chord for 4 counts. Yep, and once again, we're going to be repeating that entire thing one more time. G major 7 chord for 2 counts, E minor 7, and the B minor 7 chord for 4 counts. Yep, to be followed by the C major 7 chord for 4 counts, C minor 7 chord for 4 counts, B minor 7 chord for 4 counts, E7 chord for 4 counts, A minor 7 chord for 4 counts, C minor 7 chord for 2 counts, and then the D7 chord for 2 counts. Yep. So all in all from the top, it's going to be like this. B minor 7. One more time. C major 7, C minor 7, B minor 7, E7, A minor 7, C minor 7, D7. And once you finally figured that out, it's supposed to sound a little bit like this. I don't know who you are, but I'll save you a seat. Hang my coat on a chair next to me. I tried to reassure the waiter, say it down the street. You laughed at me. So here's to you, the most beautiful thing that I have never seen. Okay, and lastly for the outro section of this song, the chord progression that we're going to use is going to be this one right here. Yep. So all in all, it's going to be the G major 7 chord for 2 counts, E minor 7 chord for 2 counts, followed by the B minor 7 chord for 4 counts, Then we're going to be repeating that entire thing for a total of 6 repetitions, to be ended by the G major 7 chord, which is optional. It depends on your preference when it comes to playing this song. But personally, I just like to use the G major 7 chord for this one. So you could do it like this, or like this. It depends on you and your preference when it comes to playing this song. So all in all, it's going to be the G major 7 chord for 2 counts, E minor 7, and the B minor 7. 5 more. 4 more. 3 more. 2 more. Last one. Yep, you could do that G major 7 chord right there at the end, or not, depends on your preference when it comes to playing this song. And once you finally figured that out, it's supposed to sound a little bit like this. So yeah, that's the end of the guitar tutorial. Thank you guys for reaching this far into the video. Please leave a like if you've enjoyed it so that I'll know. And please once again do not forget to subscribe and ring the notification bell down below so that you guys will be able to stay up to date from my future videos. So if you guys would like me to teach anything else, just comment it down below as well. I'll try to do it for you. And if you guys would like to watch my other guitar tutorials, it's going to be these ones right here. It's all good, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.